Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome lecture number 8 from chapter 3, that is reproduction in plants. Dear students, in our previous lecture we have studied about pollination in plants, kinds of pollination and agents for pollination. Now in this we will discuss about kinds of reproduction, fertilization in plants and changes after fertilization. So first of all, about kinds of reproduction. Dear students, there are two kinds of reproduction, that is asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, the type of reproduction in which a cell from only one parent develops into offspring, is called asexual reproduction. Students, various methods of asexual reproduction are commonly found in plants. Here are some examples of asexual reproduction in plants. Potatoes use asexual reproduction. If we look at a potato tuber, we can see little birds or eyes. Each of these little birds can grow into a new potato plant. Here are some more examples. In asexual reproduction, no seeds are involved. Plants can reproduce roots from cuttings that are placed in water. Here, new potato plants grow from stems, and plants can send out runners that grow into new plants, and bulbs split asexually. Here two more diagrams for showing asexual reproduction, that is grafting and cutting, which we have studied in our previous classes. You can better understand from these diagrams. So the other kind of reproduction is sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, when two gametes, one from each parent, combine to form a zygote, the process is called sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, flowers are responsible in plants for sexual reproduction. The zygote formed in this process transforms into seed. Dear student, zygote basically when a male gamete, which is known as sperm, and a female gamete, which is known as egg, fuse to form a zygote. Later this zygote develops into seed, and the seed grows into a new plant. So this is about sexual reproduction. So the next one is fertilization in plants. Fertilization is the process of fusion of sperm with the egg. In fertilization, the surface of the stigma in a flower is sticky and pollen grains stick to it. Another diagram which is taken from your textbook, you can better understand from this diagram. Here a pollen tube grows out from each pollen grain. Two sperms are present in this pollen tube. The tube grows downward through the style and enters the ovary. Pollen tube finally enters an ovule and releases its sperms in it. One of the sperms combines with the egg to form zygote. The other sperm combines with another cell to make the store of food. So this is the process of fertilization in plants. So changes after fertilization. Dear students, after fertilization, several changes take place in the flower. The sepals, petals and stamens dry up and fall off. The fertilized egg inside the ovary develops into embryo. Ovules become seeds. The ovary grows large and develops into a fruit. The fruit protects the seed or seeds. So these are the changes after fertilization. So this is the end of our lecture. Now it is time to home assignment. Dear students, in this assignment you have to give the answer of differentiate between asexual and sexual reproduction, and you have to explain fertilization in plants with the help of diagram. So this end of our lecture. Dear students, thank you so much. Allah bless you all.